Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap last week's market action and discuss our game plan for the coming week. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, we have a new report out this weekend for our subscribers on a potential short squeeze stock for this week. This stock is bouncing off major trendline support and 52-week lows. This is a report you're going to want to research before the opening bell on Monday. To get our full report on this small cap trading just under $2, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. Well guys, I am quite disappointed in the views for the Thursday night video. Just under 600 views. And the reason that I am disappointed is that if more would have watched, more would have made money. I covered 5 stocks, 4 were winners and just 1 loser. Matter of fact, we talked about the third biggest gainer on Friday, RGTI, which closed up 39% on the day. I know it's not a triple-digit runner, but we are not in that type of market right now. This is a singles and doubles market. Don't go looking for the triples or home runs. Take what you can get and move on to the next play. And I may not do a video over every night, but when I do, it's because I think there's something worth putting on your radar. If I don't do a video, what's the point of doing one? Notice last week there were only 3 videos. I don't want to waste my time or yours. I don't think you guys want to hear me ramble on for 15 minutes about how shitty the market is. We know it's a shitty market just by looking at our brokerage accounts. If we were red on the day, we don't need to be reminded of that in some YouTube video. Unless you want me to be like other YouTubers that do a video every night and deliver nothing but winner after winner. Laugh out loud. And from the 5 stocks I covered Thursday, PGY, this was an earnings play, closed up 14% on the day. SMLR had earnings after the bell. Cheap, no debt, just $164 million market cap. This one opened and then sold off. Actually opened at 28, rallied to 30, then sold off on the day. There was also opportunity to play it in the pre-market. If you cannot trade pre-market, click our referral link in the description for Webull. You can trade from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. And if you deposit at least $100, you will get up to 12 free stocks from Webull. IONQ, this was another earnings play, past winner. Quantum computing stocks can't have AI without quantum computing. This one here opened right at the lows, 1494, and rallied all the way to 1774. So there was plenty of opportunities to get in, get out on IONQ. ACHR, this was the big loser, just opened here right at major resistance and couldn't hold it, sold off throughout the day. Got a $215 million investment from ARK, Boeing, among others. So it was big news, but again, ran right into resistance, couldn't get above there and sold off on that. So, focus on the fundamentals, but respect the technicals, guys. And for next week, some events that I will be watching starting on Monday. Short interest levels are elevated on Root and Big Lots, BIG. Options volume on Tupperware brands TUP and WeWork, WE, have picked up. Traders will also be watching Activision Blizzard, ATVI, and Microsoft, with the UK's Competition Markets Authority due to offer an opinion on if a divestiture will be required for deal approval. Earnings watch notable companies due to report include Suncor, Rumble, RUM, and Canoe, GOEV, and Super League Gaming, SLGG. Options trading is implying a double-digit share price swings in those names. On Tuesday, earnings watch notable companies due to report include Home Depot, HD. Options trading implies a double-digit share price swing for Cava Group, CAVA, after it issues its first report as a publicly traded company. At 8:30 a.m., the July retail sales report is forecast to show a headline 0.6% month-over-month increase, which would be an acceleration from the prior month's 0.2% increase. On Wednesday, we're going to get earnings from Cisco, TJX, Target, TGT, JD over in China, and Brinker International, EAT. Cisco was called out by Citi as a potential share price mover following its earnings report. Options trading implies a 5% swing in Cisco shares after the report is released. We also have the 2-day Sidoti August Microcap Conference will feature presentations from a large number of smaller companies, including Comstock LODE, Blue Apron, APRN, MG, Sidu SIDO, and Excel Brands, XELB. At 2 p.m., the Fed will release minutes from the last FOMC meeting. On Thursday, notable companies due to report include Walmart, WMT, Applied Materials, AMAT, Ross Stores, ROST, Farfetch, FTCH, and Tapestry, TPR. Options trading implies a double-digit share price swing for Farfetch and Bilibili, BILI, after the reports. Walmart will hold its earnings conference call at 7 a.m. Stocks that have correlated closely to Walmart on earnings day over the last year include Costco, Best Buy, Macy's, while Target, TGT, and Dollar General have seen a negative trading correlation. Friday, notable companies due to report include Deere, DE, Palo Alto Networks, PANW, and Estee Lauder, EL. And guys, it's so important to focus on the overall markets and the macro picture because that is what, tells you what kind of market we're in. If we are in a bull market, the overall market is running, that's when you get these major squeezes. That's when you can go looking for the triple-digit runners. Right now, we're selling off. There's overall market weakness, concern about earnings, concern about recession. Inflation remains sticky, so there's a lot of overhanging, and that has been weighing on the markets, and that is why you have to focus on singles and doubles. And what we do here at InsiderFinancial.com is put stocks on your radar that have the potential for outsized moves. As I say repeatedly, there's always opportunities each day in the markets. The problem is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. Key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and ride that wave. Sometimes those waves are big, sometimes they are small. Right now, the waves are very small indeed. And names to put on your radar to start the new trading week include GNS. Had a good week last week, up 120%. Traders are talking about GNS all over FinTwit. Look at the last runs. Earlier this year, we had a spike right from this level, $1 all the way to $7.99. All it needs is some FOMO and the stock will start making those $1 moves again. There are no shares to borrow, just a $30 million market cap and no real resistance overhead. So this one definitely has major spike potential, so keep it on your radar. VFF had earnings last week. This is a deep value play. Their earnings were solid. Retail brand sales increased 18% year over year, significantly outpacing market growth, delivered positive net income and 19th consecutive quarter of positive adjusted EBITDA. Canadian Cannabis maintains top 3 market share position nationally and takes over number 1 market share position in Quebec. And then you got Canadian cannabis exports increased 189% year over year. U.S. cannabis delivers sequential revenue growth and positive net income, adjusted EBITDA, and cash flow. Fresh produce delivers fourth consecutive quarter of significant sequential improvement over positive adjusted EBITDA. So there was a lot to like with this, and I see this as a deep value play, trading at trading at 85 cents a share. It has 29 cents a share in cash, trading at just 0.28 times sales, 0.27 times book. Look at that book value, $3.10 book value. So this one is a deep value play. Next up is IDAI. This is an AI play, just a 5 million share float and $19 million market cap. We had 2 PRs on Friday, and then we get earnings on Monday. First PR was released, a white paper detailing its newly launched AI-powered suite of facial attributes and quality assessment tools. And then the second one was receives notice of a new patent issuance for AI-powered tokenization technology from the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. But the big driver will be earnings on Monday, so we'll be watching that one for further upside. And here, this one closed at $2.73, really no resistance till $6, so it's going to be a make or break on Monday for its earnings. APRN, major support right here, peaking its head higher on Friday, closed up 19%, 25% short interest, just a $33 million market cap. So I think we can really see this one make a move to $10 pretty easy. Next up is Groupon, GRPN. Reported earnings last week. The stock broke out on Friday. 18% of the float is short, trading at just 15 times earnings, and the company is sitting on $6.65 per share in cash. So this was a major breakout here. You can see it on Finviz, finviz.com. Great resource, free for you guys to use. Has the trend lines drawn so you can easily see on the charts where the trend line support and resistance is. But our main focus to start the new trading week is our report on a potential short squeeze play. This is a must-read report and one you will want to research. We could see big fireworks in this stock this week. To get our full report on this Amex small cap, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great week, traders. Bye-bye.